All right, now to some big developments in the fight against COVID-19 as North Texas is set to get about 90,000 doses of the vaccine this week. That Fair Park vaccination site, it'll be back open today after running out of vaccines on Friday. And sometime later this week, Dallas is set to open a drive-through clinic at the K. Bailey Hutchinson Convention Center in downtown Dallas. Although specifics of that drive-through have not yet been made public, we will update you when they are. Of course, we need those vaccines now more than ever. Texas surpassing more than 34,000 deaths since the pandemic began. And to put that in a little perspective for you, that's losing about a city the size of Waxahachie. That's how many folks have passed so far in the state of Texas. Across the United States, there have been more than 25 million confirmed cases. A little bit of good news, though. Hospitalizations across the U.S. are at their lowest since December 14th. The Biden administration is taking even more steps to stop the spread of the virus. One of them is restricting travel. As we say, good morning to Cleo Green, joining us from our newsroom with what is happening this week. Cleo?
Yeah, Mark, making headlines this morning, President Joe Biden is set to reinstate the COVID-19 travel ban targeting the UK, Europe, and Brazil. We're talking about nearly 26 other European countries that allow travel across borders. Now, this ban would also prevent non-U.S. citizens from entry if they have recently been to South Africa, where we've seen that new mutation of COVID-19 has been identified. Now, mutations of the coronavirus, they're a big talker. This weekend, CDC scientists say new British data suggested that the UK variant now could be more deadly. The mutations has been reported in nearly 22 states. 4 cases of that UK variant of COVID have been found in Dallas County. None of those patients recently have traveled outside of the U.S. Now, this is really the reason why the Biden administration is trying to work really hard and quick to come up with a better vaccine rollout plan. So here's what we know. Here's what's happening here in Texas when it comes to those doses being received. We should receive over 330,000 doses here in Texas. When it comes to DFW, we're looking at over 90,000. Austin should receive over 16,000. So this is a big deal here as well, because many people are a little frustrated, concerned as to where can they find a vaccination hub? How can they get it? Who can register? There's a lot of confusion. So we've created a whole page on our website here. Just go and look on our homepage. You're going to see this link here that says, here's how to sign up to get a COVID-19 vaccine at any hub in Texas. It will give you all the requirements. It will also help you out with the Texas Department of State Health Services website as well. This is a big thing. I received a lot of messages from some people here on social media this morning talking about Dr. Anthony Fauci. He's going to be at the Potter's House in Dallas today at noon, and he'll be with different world leaders to talk about the vaccine, fears and frustration that some people may have. And you can watch as well on TD Jakes' YouTube channel. That link has been provided on our website as well. Mark, I'll send it to you.
All right, appreciate those updates. Very needed this morning. Cleo is